Think you need ads to make money on Amazon KDP? You don't. Here's how to get sales organically for free. When someone types gratitude journal or reading log into Amazon, the books that show up first get the sales. That means keywords matter a lot. Go to Amazon and type in book ideas like meal planner or daily checklist. Amazon will autofill real search terms. That's what customers are actually looking for. If you include those exact phrases in your title, subtitle, and description, Amazon knows who to show your book to. Instead of guessing what people type, BookBolt shows you top ranking keywords, search volume, and competition, all in one place. It also helps you optimize your listing without needing paid ads. Books with good keywords can rank and sell on autopilot, especially in low competition niches. You don't need a big audience, a website, or ad spend to start earning. Want to skip the guesswork? Try BookBolt using the link below. It's the fastest way to publish books that actually get seen.